So sometimes you just need a chimney case cover to put on the top of your chimney. It's just one little tiny thing that makes a huge difference. Right now there's a flue cap on the top. There's nothing really special up there, you can see. What we're gonna do is we're gonna change it out. We're gonna put this on top of it, and the difference of how it looks right now compared to what it looks right now, night and day difference. So this is the way to go. This is a very nice upgrade to do. So see here, there's nothing on it. It's just blank, just a flue cap, chimney case. That's it. We're gonna install this on top of it. It'll look beautiful. Get the top. Now the flue cap is painted, part that's exposed. Go up there and we'll install that. We'll finish off the cap. There it goes, flue cap's back in. Now we gotta just put the top on and we're done. There it is. So much better.